Let us start atomic structure. In this atomic structure, we will continue black body radiation. So we will take black body radiation. We'll consider black body radiation. Now we will draw the graph. We'll draw the graph for black body radiation. Black body radiation graph we will take. In one axis we will take intensity of radiation. We will take intensity of radiation. We will take in one axis. In another axis we will take wavelength. Wavelength we will take in another axis. Intensity of radiation we have taken in this axis. Intensity of radiation. We are drawing the graph. The graph comes as we are drawing the graph. The graph comes as so and so. When the temperature is T1. Now the temperature is how much means T1 temperature. Okay. Now we will consider a T2 temperature. We will consider T2 is greater than T1. Like this we will take. T2 is a higher temperature. At higher temperature. Now you say, what are the wavelengths of radiation emitted by black body at T2 when compared to T1? That point you say. What are the wavelengths? What are the wavelengths emitted by? What are the wavelengths emitted by black body? Emitted by black body at T2 when compared to T1. What do you say? What are the wavelengths emitted by black body at T2 when compared to T1? Will you say same? Will you say same or different? What are the wavelengths emitted by black body at T2 when compared to T1? Do you say same wavelengths or little varying or completely varying? Completely varying. What do you say? Sir. Now we will see. Now we will consider it. Suppose now we are considering a body. Suppose we are exposing our body to sunlight. We are exposing our body to sunlight. Okay. For 1 hour and then 2 hours. In this 1 hour, our body absorbed radiation. Our body absorbed radiation in this 1 hour. In this 2 hour also, our body absorbed radiation. Here, sunlight, here what are the wavelengths absorbed? Same wavelengths absorbed here or different wavelengths? What do you say? Now see, consider this body. Suppose we are our body. We are exposing our body to sunlight. Suppose we are being in the sunlight for 1 hour. Sunlight radiation is having some wavelengths. Sunlight radiation is having many wavelengths. Because if we take, suppose yellow color, if we take yellow color itself is having many wavelengths. Sunlight, if we take, sunlight is having ultraviolet radiation. IR radiation is produced due to heat, due to greenhouse effect. Then visible radiation is there. So these many radiations are there in the sunlight, in the sense it is having many wavelengths, isn't it? Okay. So this sunlight radiation is falling over us for 1 hour. Therefore, our body is observing various wavelengths, shall we say, or only one wavelength, shall we say. You think it. Okay. Now, our body, we are exposing to sunlight for 2 hours. Now, radiation falling over us. Radiation is having various wavelengths or single wavelength, you think it. These wavelength radiations are absorbed by our body. Now you say this radiation, sunlight radiation here will have same wavelengths or different wavelengths. What do you see? What do you think? Sunlight radiation here having some wavelengths, sunlight radiation having some wavelengths will be same in these two places or different. What do you say? How the sunlight radiation will be there? Sunlight radiation at this place here and here will be same, will have same wavelengths or different wavelengths. Sunlight radiation here, sunlight radiation here. So wavelengths of radiation you are saying different. So how do you say different? You are saying here different wavelengths, here different wavelength you are saying. So you are saying like this, isn't it? Okay, we will check that. We'll check that. Now we will take sunlight. Suppose, sunlight we need not consider. Sunlight we need not consider. We will consider some other. We will consider a perfectly monochromatic light. We are considering monochromatic light. We will consider it. Sorry. We will consider monochromatic light. This monochromatic light is having particularly one wavelength. We will consider one wavelength. That wavelength value also will give, suppose 5890 angstrom. It is yellow color. It is yellow color. Okay. We are taking monochromatic light. It is having one wavelength. It is having one wavelength. That is 5890 angstrom. That is having yellow color. Now let us expose our body to this monochromatic light for 1 hour. Our body will observe this wavelength. This wavelength it will observe, so that our body attains some temperature. For example, T1. Now, in another day, let us expose our body to this monochromatic light for 2 hours. Our body is observing this radiation, this monochromatic light having wavelength 5890 angstrom for 2 hours and attaining some temperature. Our body will attain some temperature. Why our body will attain some temperature? That external body will attain some temperature because of absorbed light, isn't it? Because of absorbed light. Sir, now you say for this 1 hour, this body is exposed to this monochromatic light, isn't it? That is having wavelength 5890 angstrom. So this body is absorbed this wavelength for 1 hour. So this body is absorbed this wavelength, that means this light. So the body is getting a certain temperature, suppose T1, external body, not internal body, external skin is attaining some temperature T1. Now this body is exposed to same monochromatic light for 2 hours. Now the body is observing this light, 5890 angstrom light, for how much means for 2 hours. For 2 hours. Okay. For 2 hours it is observed. Now you say body observed so and so wavelength for 1 hour. Body is observed so and so wavelength for 2 hours. Now you say wavelength observed, wavelength of radiation observed in 1 hour, wavelength of radiation observed in 2 hours remains same, shall we say, or different, shall we say. What do you say? Remain same or different? Now you say here body absorbed this light for 1 hour. Here body absorbed this light for 2 hours. Now wavelength of radiation absorbed by the body here, wavelength of the radiation absorbed by the body here remains same, do you say, or different? So one student says different, one student says different, one student says remains same, remains same. Now you think it. One student says different. Okay, here body absorbing radiation. Which radiation? Which radiation is falling over the body? That radiation it is absorbing, isn't it? So which radiation falling over the body here? Which radiation falling over the body here in this place? This radiation is falling. So here also body is exposed to which radiation? This radiation. Body is exposed to this radiation, isn't it? So this radiation is having what wavelength? 5890 angstrom. So the body is absorbing which wavelength? This wavelength. Here body is absorbing which wavelength? This wavelength. So that now you are saying body is absorbing same wavelength in both cases. Body is absorbing same wavelength in both cases. Okay. So wavelength of light absorbed by the body is same. Wavelength of light absorbed by the body is same. Okay. But extent of absorption, how it will be there, that we will see later. Okay, sorry, that also we'll see it now itself. So here body is absorbing radiation for 1 hour. So body has absorbed radiation for 1 hour means up to 1 hour. That means for 1 hour body absorbed a x number of yellow light, yellow color energy particles. Yellow color energy particles. We can say particles, otherwise waves. Yellow color energy particles or yellow color energy waves. Sorry. Now you say that body is exposed to this light. So body is absorbing this wavelength for how much time? 1 hour. For 1 hour, body absorbed x number of yellow color energy particles, so that body has got temperature T1. Sir, now we will consider here. Body is exposed to this light for 2 hours. This body is absorbing this light for 2 hours. Okay, this body is absorbing this monochromatic light, this wavelength radiation for 2 hours. For 2 hours, this light is continuously falling over this body. For 2 hours, this wavelength, for 2 hours, this monochromatic light continuously falling over this body. So now the body continuously absorbed these energy particles for 2 hours. Now how many number of particles? How many number of yellow color particles? Yellow color energy particles body has absorbed. Body has absorbed, do you say? Here some number of yellow color energy particles absorbed by the body for 2 hours. Here for 1 hour body is absorbing x number of yellow color energy particles. Now what do you say here? Will you say same x number of yellow color particles body has absorbed, or greater than x or less than x? What do you say? What do you say? One student says here 2x. Exactly we cannot say 2x, but some difference will be there. So you may think that here number of particles absorbed is greater than x, you are saying, sir. So number of particles absorbed is greater than x. Number of particles absorbed is greater than x. So that here number of particles absorbed is greater than x number of particles. Can we say? Here number of energy particles absorbed is greater than x. Here number of particles absorbed is x. Here number of particles absorbed is greater than x. Okay. Now we will say this number of particles is nothing but brightness, which is nothing but intensity. Number of particles is nothing but brightness, which is nothing but intensity. How the intensity will be there here, and how the intensity of radiation absorbed. Intensity of radiation absorbed by the body here. Intensity of radiation absorbed by the body here. How it will be there. Now see, intensity is nothing but brightness. That means number of energy particles. Okay, number of energy particles. So here x number of particles absorbed. Here greater than x number of energy particles absorbed. Now you say intensity of energy particles absorbed, intensity of radiation absorbed by the body at for 1 hour, for 1 hour. Now intensity of radiation absorbed by the body for 2 hours. How it will be there? Do you say? Do you say intensity of radiation absorbed by the body here? Intensity of radiation absorbed by the body here? Same? Do you say same or different? Do you say same or different? If you are saying different, where it will be high? Where it will be high, do you say? Do you say high will be at 2 hours or high will be at 1 hour? What do you say? Intensity of radiation. So understand it, intensity of radiation is nothing but brightness. Okay. So for brightness, for what is brightness, that we'll see. Brightness means what we'll see. Now we'll consider one tube light like this. It is one tube light. Okay, this tube light is we will say that it is small. Okay, we will consider another tube light here. Another tube light we are considering. We are considering another tube light. It is large. It is large. For this tube light we are giving a 240 voltage. For this to glow this tube light we are giving 240 voltage. To glow this tube light also we will give same 240 voltage, isn't it? Now it is glowing means it is emitting radiation. It emits radiation. It emits visible radiation. It is also emitting visible radiation. Visible radiation. Now we will see brightness here. In both places we will see the brightness. We will see the brightness in both places. How the brightness will be there here you see. And how the brightness will be there you see. Okay. Do you think that brightness in both places same? Do you think brightness in both places same or different? What do you say? Brightness in both places same, do you say, or different, do you say? Tube light is one is small, brightness is one student says same, one student says different. Okay, so one student says same. No, now it is a small tube light. No, small tube light. How the brightness will be there? You think it small tube light, it is large one. Even you can see this difference in this bulb. That is a mercury vapor lamp is there. No, mercury vapor lamp. That mercury vapor lamp means it will consume less current, less amount of current. That vapor lamp, that consider that lamp, and you see that brightness. You see tube light brightness. You see both are different or same. Okay, one stone says same. No, you think it. Therefore, now you are saying here brightness is here brightness. You are saying here brightness different. You are saying. Do you say that brightness here small and brightness here high? Do you say like this? So brightness here high, here brightness here low. That means here brightness is different, you said. So here high, here low. So here we can say number of energy particles. Number of energy particles emitted. Here we'll see number of energy particles emitted. Number of energy particles emitted we'll see in this case, and we'll see here number of energy particles emitted. Number of energy particles emitted we'll see. How it will be there? Number of energy particles emitted. How it will be there? Do you feel same or different? Number of energy particles emitted in these two places, do you say same or different? If it is different, where it is high, do you say number of energy particles emitted, or number of energy waves, number of energy waves emitted, where it will be high, do you feel? Number of energy particles, number of energy particles emitted. That means brightness means what? Brightness means what? Energy particles, isn't it? Brightness means what? Energy particles. Here also brightness means what? Energy particles. Correct or wrong? So this tube light, this tube light is emitting energy particles. This tube light also emitting energy particles. So that this tube light is giving so and so brightness. This tube light is giving so and so brightness. Now this tube light emitted how many energy particles you think it? This tube light is emitted how many energy particles you think it? By considering both for same time. By considering both for same time. Okay. Now number of energy particles emitted here, number of energy particles emitted here, how it will be there? Will you say different or will you say same? Number of energy particles emitted. Energy particles is nothing but that is only brightness, isn't it? Brightness. So here we are saying brightness is less. Here we are saying brightness is high. Sorry. And now you are saying greater than what you are saying, greater than smaller one, greater than smaller one, you are saying. Okay. So you are saying that number of energy particles emitted is low here, you are saying number of energy particles emitted here high. Correct? Now this brightness is nothing but intensity. This brightness is nothing but intensity. Okay. Brightness is nothing but intensity. Brightness is nothing but intensity. Okay. So intensity, how it will be there here? How the intensity will be there here? How the intensity will be there here? Do you say intensity will remain same for both or different? That means where intensity will be high, do you say? Intensity of radiation will be high in which case? Because here brightness is high, you said. Brightness is high. Here brightness is low. Here brightness is low. Here brightness is high. So how the intensity of radiation will be there here? How the intensity of radiation will be there here? Intensity of radiation here and intensity of radiation here. How the intensity of radiation in this place and in this place will be there? Where do you say higher value? Do you say intensity of radiation at this first place high, or intensity of radiation at this second place high? What do you say? How the intensity of radiation will be there? Intensity is nothing but brightness, we can say. Intensity is nothing but brightness, we can say. Now how the intensity of radiation will be there? In the first case, shall we say, or in the second case, shall we say, where it will be high? Or do you say same? Intensity of radiation. Intensity is nothing but brightness, no? Isn't it? Suppose you are taking a bulb, so second place high. So intensity of radiation, you are saying at second place high, at the first place low. Sir, now you think that that means intensity low, brightness low, number of energy particles emitted is low. Number of energy particles emitted is low. Here intensity is high, brightness is high, number of energy particles emitted is high. Okay. How the emission is there, like that absorption also will be there, isn't it? How the emission is there, like this absorption also will be there. Now we will come back to this. Here we have considered monochromatic light. Here we considered monochromatic light. This monochromatic light is having wavelength 5890 angstrom. This monochromatic light is having wavelength 5890 angstrom. Sorry. Now this body is exposed to this monochromatic light. This body is exposed to this monochromatic light for 1 hour. So here in this yellow color energy particles, this yellow color energy particles absorbed by this body, Okay. How many yellow color energy particles means X number of yellow colored energy particles absorbed by this body for 1 hour. Sir, now the body is exposed to 2 hours. 2 hours separately. This is separate. This is separate. Now the body is exposed to this yellow color light, this monochromatic light for 2 hours. The body is observing greater than X number of yellow color energy particles, greater than X number of yellow color energy particles for 2 hours. So body is observing this monochromatic light in this place for 1 hour, this many particles. Is separately, this is separate. This 2 hours is separate, 1 hour is separate. Okay, there is no relation between 1 hour and 2 hours. This is one body, it is another body, like this. So here body is observing this monochromatic light for 2 hours. Here this many number of particles observed. For 1 hour, this many number of particles observed. Now you say intensity of radiation observed. Intensity of radiation observed here. In the first place, intensity of radiation you see observed. In the second place, intensity of radiation observed you see. Do you say different or same? If you say different, where it is high? In the first place high or in second place high? What do you say? Intensity of radiation observed will be high in second place, you are saying. Okay. So you are saying intensity of radiation observed is high in second place. Intensity of radiation observed is low in first place. Sir, okay. So you are saying that body observed less number of particles here. Here body observed more number of particles here, you said. Okay. Now you say because body absorbed energy particles, therefore external part of the body has got so and so temperature. Body absorbed so and so energy particles, therefore body has got so and so temperature, external temperature. That means external part of the temperature is this much. Here body absorbed so and so particles, therefore external part of the body is getting a so and so temperature. Now shall we, if these two temperatures, if you feel different, we will keep it is T2. If you feel these two temperatures same, just TT we will give, temperature same we will write it. Okay. If you feel temperature is same, that is one point. If you feel temperature is different, then we will write T1, T2. In that case, you say which is having higher temperature. First one is having higher temperature or second one is having higher temperature. What do you think? Which is having higher temperature, do you think? If you feel different, if you feel in these two places temperature is different, if you feel, that means temperature of what? Temperature of body. This is after 1 hour, this is just after 2 hour. Consider it is just after 2 hour, it is just after 1 hour. That means body exposed to for 1 hour, that is a mean. Body exposed to the light for 1 hour exactly. Body is exposed to the light for 2 hours exactly. Now if the temperature of the body normally we can say, suppose if you are going outside in the during sunlight, during daytime, we feel if we touch our body we feel heat, no, isn't it? Therefore you are saying that T2 will be higher, T1 will be lower, you are saying. So now see, here temperature is low, here temperature is high. Wavelength observed in both places same. Intensity of radiation observed is different. Intensity of radiation observed is low, temperature is low. Here intensity of radiation observed is high, temperature is high, temperature is high. Wavelength of radiation observed is same for both cases. Wavelength of radiation observed is same for both cases, isn't it? Now instead of taking monochromatic light, let us take sunlight in this place. Now in this place we will take sunlight. Okay, here we are taking sunlight, we are taking. Now you say sunlight is a polychromatic or monochromatic. What do you say? Sunlight is a polychromatic light or monochromatic radiation. What do you say? Sunlight, monochromatic light means what? That is having single wavelength. Sunlight is you are saying polychromatic radiation, because sunlight is having many different wavelengths. Sunlight is having many different wavelengths. Sir, So now this body is exposed to 1 hour to sunlight. So body is absorbing sunlight radiation. So now you say body has absorbed sunlight radiation means body has absorbed radiation that has wavelength. Now body has absorbed various wavelengths or only one wavelength, do you say? Suppose we are going outside in the daytime, sunlight is falling over our skin. Can you say that our skin will absorb only yellow color and the remaining colors our skin will order that you should not observe? Will it order it or will it absorb all radiation? It is generally we are saying no. Generally we practiced this, isn't it? So based on that practice, you say our body has absorbed more or less all the wavelengths are single wavelength. Single wavelength. How do you say? Single wavelength or more or less all the wavelengths? And you compare this one with during which time means in summer time how it will be there, in the winter time how it will be there. That means if the session is different, how we feel if we go in the sunlight. In the daytime how we will feel regarding hotness, you see. So based on that you say our body is absorbing sunlight. If we go outside, is it absorbing only one wavelength from sunlight or various wavelengths from sunlight? You think it. Suppose if you think our body is absorbing only one wavelength from sunlight, in the sense only one wavelength from sunlight, in the sense you are saying multiple wavelengths. Our body is absorbing various wavelengths. Why? Because how we feel, you think it, if we go to the sunlight, if we expose our body to the sunlight, how our feeling will be there regarding that hotness that you see, that you feel it, that you think about that feeling. If we expose our body to tube light, how we feel regarding hotness that you see. Suppose we are standing in front of any glowing, any burning stick or any burning gas or any burning something, how we feel hotness, you see. So from this, can we conclude our body is exposed, our body is observing whatever the radiation falling over us, isn't it? Similarly, suppose if the patient is allowed for taking a X-ray, then X-ray will be focused over the patient. That patient's skin is absorbing that X-rays or not? X-rays are penetrating through the body or not? You think it? Isn't it? Penetrating through the body, no. Therefore, our body can absorb various wavelengths. That we can say. We cannot say so and so wavelength like this, but our body can absorb various wavelengths, we can say. Sorry. So, in this place, our body has absorbed various wavelengths. What do you say in this place? Our body has absorbed various wavelengths. That means the wavelengths absorbed our body here. The wavelengths absorbed our body here will be more or less same or different. What do you think? Number of wavelengths absorbed by the body here, number of wavelengths absorbed by the body here will be more or less same, or no doubt it is different. What do we say? This body is exposed to sunlight. This body is exposed to sunlight for 1 hour. Here 2 hours. Here in this place body is observing sunlight radiations. That means various wavelengths it is observing. Here also body is observing. Here also body is observing various wavelengths. So wavelengths absorbed here will remain same, more or less same, or exactly different. So number of wavelengths, little variation. Therefore, you are saying little variation. You are saying that means number of wavelengths absorbed here, number of wavelengths absorbed here, more or less same. Sir, Suppose here the body is observing here 400 angstrom means here also body will observe 400 angstrom, isn't it? So that what are the wavelengths observed by the body here? Almost same number of wavelengths observed by the body here. That's what. No? In that much difference will not be there. No? Practically we felt this, isn't it, sir? Now we will see about this one here. Now body has observed a certain number of energy particles. Body has observed certain number of energy particles. What about energy particles? Number of energy particles observed by the body at for 1 hour. Number of energy particles observed by the body for 2 hours. How do you feel? Okay. Here body is observing various wavelengths. In that you take one wavelength. Suppose 5890 angstrom. Here also body has observed various wavelengths. In that you take one wavelength. Suppose 5890 angstrom. Here wavelength of light observed is 5890 angstrom that we are considering. Here wavelength of light observed is 5890 angstrom. Okay. Now here the X number of yellow color energy particles observed by the body. What do you say about here? Number of yellow color energy particles observed by the body is greater than X or less than X or same like X. What do you feel? What do you think? Then you compare these two. These two you compare it. Then you come to this point. Intensity of radiation observed by the body. Intensity of radiation observed by the body. How it will be there? Do you feel? How it will be there? Do you feel? That means here in this place body is observing many wavelengths. In that we will take one wavelength we will consider for discussion. One wavelength we will consider for discussion. That wavelength we will take it as 5890 angstrom. Okay. Here also body is observing various wavelengths. Among them, one wavelength we will consider for discussion. One wavelength is 5890 angstrom. 5890 angstrom is observed here. 5890 angstrom observed here. That wavelength is yellow color energy particles. So body is observing X number of yellow color energy particles here. Body is observing yellow color energy particles. How many? Will it be this number? This number will be greater than this X or less than this X or equal to this X. What do you say? Then think about intensity of radiation observed here. That means particular wavelength. Particular wavelength. Body has observed various wavelengths. In that particular we are taking. We are discussing about particular.